Ah là, Oh putain, les trampolines ils se barrent encore une fois. C'est ce que je jure.
Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Natural disasters on a event channel, welcome. Heavy rain and strong storm in France. Following the onslaught of hail, torrential downpours, and powerful gusts that battered France, the situation remains unchanged. The country continues to be engulfed by heavy rainfall, high winds, and stormy conditions, leaving little respite in sight for this week. Moreover, a fresh series of weather alerts has been issued, covering the next 2 days. A total of 61 departments are currently under alert, spanning a significant portion of France from the northeastern Belgian border to the southwestern regions. 19 of these departments are under the second highest level of orange alert, indicating that residents must exercise extreme caution when venturing outside.
Hier kommt mal richtig zur Ruhe.
In recent times, numerous departments have faced orange warnings as violent storms ravaged the country, even reaching the capital. Some regions experienced wind speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour, while reports of hailstones emerged following particularly ferocious storms in various parts of France. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.